Hey guys, E-Powered RC here today, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of an overview on Realflight 9 simulator. This is one of the new extreme flight airplanes that you can download off of the Knife Edge website. This is the virtual extreme flight flying field that Jim T. Graham and Doc Austin, I believe is his last name, username on RC Groups, came up with. He's been working really hard getting these airplanes ready for this, and it released last week, and I just ran out of fuel. So another cool thing about this thing is it's very realistic. I didn't plan on doing that, but up here in this corner you can actually see how much fuel you have, and it says fuel remaining 0. That's because I had actually left this thing running without me on here playing with it, so it idled through a whole tank of gas. But yeah, you got smoke on here you can turn on and off. I've been flying with a DX8 G2 radio. And there's a lot of airplanes on here. This is the Horizon Hobby like edition, has a lot of airplanes on it. And you can always download more. You can go online, play multiplayer. That's the reason this field was all invented, so we can get together and fly. But yeah, I like the color scheme on this plane. I like the way it flies. It flies really nice, and it's just fun to fly. You know, simulator is good to keep your skills up with, and there's some torque rolls on the deck. Whoops. You know the good thing about that? Push the space bar and you got a brand new airplane again. So yeah. That fence, I have hit that fence I don't know how many times. I wish they would have put both fences out just a little bit further. Just a wee bit further would have been nice. This fence over here I like playing around with. This little gate here I like playing around with. I like to hang my landing gear up on it when I can. Takes a little bit of practice. You see your shadow when you get really close to it. Oh, see? There we go. I got my landing. Nope. Not quite. That pop-up on the computer screwed me up. But as you see, plane's kind of stuck there. But anyway, guys, there's a lot of planes. I like this one. You can go over here to the side, pick your flying field, your airplane, and then when you click on airplane, you can go to custom aircraft, all aircraft, stock aircraft, most recently used or most often used. And then you got your color schemes for the different planes. If you have a different color scheme, then you can see I have 3 different ones for this particular model. But yeah, I can go over here to custom aircraft, and I'll show you the ones I have downloaded. Again, it'll show you the color schemes. This is a really good flying airplane too. I like it a lot. Sounds really wicked. And you can go in and edit aircraft. Most of mine, I have actually edited them. I have given myself at least more elevator. You can just go up to aircraft right here, click on it, click quick edit, and this little box pops up. You can do your rudder, elevator, aileron deflection. I have 90 degrees, which is the most you can do for your elevator on this one. And then you have your engine power down here, and you can change that if you want to. You got reset right here on the left, and save here if you do change something. But I didn't change anything, so it didn't pop up. But yeah, this is another great new plane they've created. Got the Extreme Flight billboard over here. Great big old billboard, as you can tell, because this is a pretty decent sized plane, and there it is against it. So yeah, the plane kind of disappeared. But yeah, you got airplanes, of course. You have helicopter. If you hit K, it kills your engine. You can do that in flight or on the ground, it doesn't matter. As you can see on the screen, I got my transmitter on there, I've got my smoke switch, I got, this one doesn't have a detachable hatch. Some of the planes, the hatch will actually pop open. There's the extra. There's the color I was flying a minute ago. There's the blue one. That one I think I've already showed you, but anyway. Anything you edit ends up being in this screen. You've got the new, this is the colorful one there. It's got 3-bladed prop on this bad boy. As I said, you can tell I've got my controls kind of maxed out. Little smoke action. I actually popped up. See, this one has a hatch that will open. And see, I opened the hatch, the canopy. You can tell it's open right there. And I flip the switch there, it goes down. So yeah, that's kind of fun to play with. Smoke is a lot of fun, but it gets so much smoke on the screen where you can't tell what you're doing. Now you do have to be careful. Some of these planes you can actually break off a tail fin or an elevator. I don't remember. I think this one, if you do a violent snap, high speed, it will break it off. So I kind of just go low throttle when I do something crazy. And you can use your dual rates in your radio. See how fast my ailerons are moving now. I go down a low rate on my radio, see how slow it slowed down to. So that's kind of nice that you have that option to do that. Which mostly I fly with all my stuff on high rates. But check out this flying field, guys. Go to Knife Edge software. I believe it's knifeedgesoftware.com, and you can download. Ooh, there! I got one wing, guys. Half a wing. Let's see what I can do with it. Oh yeah. I get very slim opportunities to fly with one wing, half a wing. But see if I can bring it around here and land it. And I did. Aha, I got it on the ground, guys. Yeah, there she is. So, it's kind of funny because there's not even a hole in there for the wing, but but anyway, guys, that's just kind of a quick overview of the simulator. You can do all kind of different cool stuff. You can do views. You got camera views. You can actually go on the nose of the plane, and now you'd be flying just like your FPV and first-person viewing. So there's one of the race gates and the ring and another race gate. See if we can go through the gate. Ah, we did. A little bit of knife edge. There's our Extreme Flight banner. Yeah, so that's kind of cool if you're into FPVing. This mode makes me kind of dizzy, to be honest, but I lose track of where my flying field is. There's that fence I'm always running into. They've got a little pad right here like a bullseye. Let's see if we can get on the ground. Okay, so we're back on the ground now. Another camera type is chase, where you're actually behind the airplane. This one is just behind it. Kind of different. I think I like the chase better than I like the FPV view, but it's up to you what you want to do. Then you got camera position, you got over here on this side, or you can go to the runway end, a big plane over there. Or the default, which is where I normally keep mine. But anyway, guys, that is going to be my wrap up for this part of this video. I'm going to call this, I think, part 1 of the Realflight simulator. I'm going to do a part 2, I think, showing off some of the helicopters. They give you a basic idea of it. If you happen to have Realflight 9, I think you can do all the way from Realflight 7 to 9. Get on here and fly with us. Look for the virtual RC group simulator part of it, and come join us and have some fun. There's no really time or day that they're doing it. It's pretty much open every day. Find the thread on RC groups, jump on there and let us know excuse me, when you think you'd want to jump on, and I'm sure there's some guys that would be willing to come check it out with you, fly with you. So thank y'all again for watching this video, and happy flying, and I hope all of you are staying safe during this pandemic we're having, and let's all pray together that this will soon be over and we can get back out there to the field with our flying buddies and do some real flying. Catch y'all later.